Bird & Bird is a focused firm. It focuses on technological changes affecting companies, and it aims to help them through these changes.
What's unique is our sector focus, the really in-depth understanding, for example in my case, of the energy sector and how that drives competition. And to understand that interaction between competition and regulation is very unusual.
We are tech savvy in that we really like to develop tools for our clients that can help them in an unexpected situation. Take our Dawn Rate app for instance. In the event of an unexpected visit by a competition or regulatory authority, we developed the app to give guidance to companies.
What sets us apart from other practices is the level and depth and breadth of experience in a whole range of very difficult and rapidly moving sectors, not just in one country but across Europe and Asia Pacific.
Bird & Bird is a collection of very collegiate people working together to solve problems for our clients.
Bird & Bird's competition law practice has managed to kind of leverage its tremendous expertise in IP-related litigation to non-IP related litigation.
One of the things that proves that we are a bit apart is that we've even been instructed by the legal service of the European Commission. This, in my view, is a quality stamp.
We have litigated more than 100 cases in front of the European courts, and in addition we have been on both sides of the fence. Sometimes we represent private clients, most of the time, but we have also represented the European Commission itself and some of the agencies.
Bird & Bird's competition group is passionate not just about competition law, but about really partnering with clients to help them move forward, to tackle competition law challenges or investigations and steer them through the storms.